Welcome back. We're out for a walk on vacation, and we're joined today by our middle daughter, Kate.
Hello.
If you would like to check out Kate's socials, so you can follow Kate on Instagram, and she does have a YouTube channel that she's about to be relaunching. You can go check out her content and see what she's up to. But Kate is not on Carnivore.
No, I'm not. Sorry.
She did try Carnivore, like she gave it a really
good 48 hours.
48-hour try. And tell us why didn't it stick?
Well, I don't really have any major life transformation I'm needing at the moment, and Carnivore is really great for someone who needs that. And as I was thinking about it, I was like, this is asking a lot of me, and I don't think that the payoff is exactly like as drastic as I'm needing at the moment. So while it is amazing, I just think that to achieve the goals I have, I don't need to take such drastic measures at this moment.
Very good. Understandable.
What kind of eating program do you like?
I definitely just try to stick to lower carb, lower sugar, and this year I've been trying to stick to as few ingredients as possible to just stick to cleaner eating.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah.
So we had talked in a previous video that whenever you're doing this, if you don't have someone like me and Tanya are doing Carnivore together, and that makes it so much easier. But a lot of people that watch our channel, they don't have a spouse or significant other that's kind of doing it with them. And so I told them about how you and a couple of girlfriends got together and just did y'all's own little challenge. So why don't you tell us how that helps kind of keep you accountable and kind of has some accountability partnership built into that?
I think definitely doing it with a group is the key to success here. And in the South, I'm sure they've mentioned this on their channel. I'm sure my sister Allie's mentioned it on her channel. Like, things are very they revolve around food a lot here in the South. So that can be really hard if the people that you want to spend time with, everything has to revolve around food. So, if you're in a relationship, by getting on the same page with your spouse or your boyfriend or girlfriend is really helpful. And then if you've got a friend group that you spend a lot of time with, trying to get everybody on the same page really just sets you up for success. And then you can all hold each other accountable and understand that you're all working towards the same goal rather than pulling someone away from it.
So it is a beautiful day here. Got a nice coolness to the air and a perfect day to get out and exercise. So Tanya, why don't you tell us about the differences that Carnivore has made as far as your activity level and getting out and just being...
It is a miraculous difference. So, we've been coming into this area for 20 years, and we've always enjoyed getting out and walking the neighborhoods in the morning and being out in the sunshine. But the time of day that we did activities was definitely important. Whereas now, the blessing of all the extra energy, I don't even have to pay attention to what time it is. The answer is always, yes, I feel like doing that. And that, I'm still in awe of that. I'm in awe that after 14 months, it still has not registered with me. I don't need naps.
Yeah. Well, no matter what diet plan you're on, obviously exercise is a part of that. And if you're doing really well on a diet, adding exercise just makes it even better. But to me, more importantly than that, it's kind of like the point. I mean, if whatever your diet you're on isn't making you feel stronger, if it's not giving you more energy, then what's the point of being on it? I mean, if it's just to lose weight, I mean, what good does that do you if you're sitting at home and not able to really enjoy life?
Yeah.
So if you're on a diet that doesn't give you energy, then you might want to look at changing it. So as far as what was the difference it made for you to go to more one ingredient meals or cutting out carbs or whatever as far as your energy level goes?
I think that the biggest difference I've noticed, and I noticed this whenever I did keto last year, was after you eat a meal, you don't really feel any effects from it. It satisfies hunger, and that's it. It serves its purpose. And so you don't move on throughout your day feeling bloated or literally are like you're not in pain after you eat
Or sluggish.
or sluggish.
Yeah.
Because I know that can be really common whenever you're incorporating a lot of carbs and sugars into your diet. So like if I'm gonna include carbs, it's gonna be like potatoes or something. So sticking to as few ingredients as possible rather than, you know, bread.
Right. Yeah, because I've heard you say that many times about like after you've eaten, you're like, I'm just amazed that I don't feel terrible
Yeah.
after eating this.
Yeah.
So
Because
Would
you
y'all
get
call
used
it
to
a
it.
food baby and a food coma?
Yeah.
A food
Well, it's just like
baby.
you get so immune to the pain after you eat that you don't even think about it until it is taken away from your diet. And then you notice how much better you feel. And it really is amazing. Now, I will say, I've included sourdough bread in this particular brand. It's called Izio from the grocery store. I have not started making my own, but this has very few ingredients and it's all like real foods.
So do you think that you are constantly weighing in your mind to start the carnivore diet?
No,
No?
never. Not at all.
Well, and I just think it brings up a good point. Like, we are for health and wellness. And so whatever you're doing to get healthy, that's great. Me and Tanya have been on several different things. Me mainly have been on several different eating kind of plans. And carnivore has done the absolute best for me as far as weight loss and done miraculous things for Tanya.
For healing.
For healing. So we always talk about making sure you define your why.
Yeah.
And in this case, our why is best suited by the carnivore diet, whereas your why is best suited with a different kind of diet.
Yeah. Because
And-
I'm also in a very social season of life, whereas social things for you and mom are going to be together. Mine might be with a variety of people.
Yeah.
So it might be with people who have zero interest in eating few ingredients, you know, or
Right.
being carnivore. So it can make it challenging whenever, you know, your day-to-day activities include such a range of people. And
That's a good
also
point.
like working from home, like on my laptop a lot. If I want to go to a coffee shop and get some work done, that's also really nice to have options there.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah, it suits your life right now.
Okay, well, so no matter what plan you're on, we just want to encourage you today, and we just hope that you're living your best life ever. If you're on carnivore, we would like for you to just drop some comments in the comment section and let us know how it's going for you. If you're not on carnivore and you're on some other diet plan like Kate, then let us know how that's going and what you've seen as far as the benefits of that are. So it's been good to have Kate with us today.
Yeah.
And now we got to work on getting Eden to be
Yeah.
part of our channel.
Because usually on our morning walk, it's just the two of us, like a date.
Yeah.
But we're glad for the kids to come.
And the funny thing is, Eden, of all of us, is the biggest YouTuber in the family.
Yeah.
So, you know, but she just doesn't want to be on camera for some reason. So
she likes
anyway.
to be in control.
That's right. That's
So
right.
valid.
So actually, I'm going to go ahead. She's going to get mad at me for this, but if you would like to follow Eden, I'm going to put her links in the description, and we'll put it on the screen right here. And it's a good way to keep up with our family and more through the lens of an 18-year-old.
Yeah, it's more lifestyle focused for sure.
And it's definitely much more entertaining. So be sure to go.
You'll be
sure
signing
to,
up for lots of laughs.
Oh yeah, so be sure to go watch her content and subscribe to her channel. And we'll see you next time. And as always, if you made it to the end, let us know. Bye.